Hello, good day everyone. Let me introduce myself, and my article will be present in this iSemantic 2022. This is our title is Text Encryption Using Transform Dimension, Bit Plane Slicing, and Chaos System. And this is author. The first author is Dudusal Ignatius Moses Tiadi, and then the second one is me, Eko Hari Rahmawanto, and then the third one is Rahmawati Zulfiningrum, and then the last is MD Kamru Zaman Sarkar. This is our affiliation is Udinese, and then Stekbrin, and then Harvard of Hartford. This is for MD Kamru Zaman Sarkar. About the introduction, combine the substitution and transposition method is necessary to make super encryption resistance to statistical attacks. A newer cryptographic approach is to use the DES encryption and then AES and then RSA method. However, this approach is considered less effective for large-scale text encryption with the high redundancy and then the large capacity. Multimedia data such as digital image generally have a high correlation, redundancy, and then the large capacity. This is our research objective. The purpose the chaos two-dimensional encryption method for text widely used in digital image. For this method, two-level dimension or transformation are carried out of the text message. The bit plane slicing operation is performed to spread the entire bit plane. There are 7 bit plane is in plain text, and then the value of P and Q and the number of iteration are derived from the two keys that come from user input and plain text performed using SHA 256 hash operation. And then this is a purpose method. A text encryption method is proposed using the bit plane slicing method combined with the chaos method and the hash function. This is the encryption. The encryption modules require input in a form of the text message and a private key input by the sender, we can call key 1, and then while the output is encrypted message and a key we can call key 2, which is used for the description process. Then this is the description process. The decryption takes 3 inputs, namely encryption, namely encrypted message, and 2 keys, namely key 1 and key 2. Furthermore, the results output is decrypted message. Then this is our purpose method according to the flowchart. This side is for encryption and this side is for decryption. For example, I want to introduce this one is plain text, this one is key, and then plain text is converted into ASCII number, we can call M, and then copy it in M1 and transform dimension with the size S1. Then we can calculate until we got the K2 is HA 256, and then from K1, from K we can get the K1 using SHA 256, and then we can combine using ACM based on K1 and K2, and then K2 also used in here, ACM based on K1 and K2, and then K2 also here we can use K1 and K2 for to process, and then we got the ciphertext. Then this is sent to the sender. Then the receiver got the ciphertext and then got the key. Then we can ciphertext we can convert into ASCII number and then K transform into K1, then using K2 we can got this one from K2, then inverse ACM based on K1 and K2, then the transform dimension, bit plane, slicing, and then this one combine bit plane and reshape, transformation dimension with the size S1, inverse ACM on K1 and K2, then the result is decrypted the message. This is our dataset. Experiment are carried out on the text dataset taken from libsum.com. This dataset is same the dataset used in research from number 16. Then the goal is to compare encryption results against resistance to various attacks. In addition, a large dataset used was added to test the performance against the large dataset. Then this is a testing data. The test is carried out with the several statistical measuring tools such as information entropy to test resistance to statistical attack, avalanche effect we can call AE to test resistance to different attack. Then bit error rate or BIR to measure the error rate that occur in the ciphertext. Information entropy we can call E is a statistical metric used to determine the number of unpredictable features. Information entropy has a value range from 1 to 8, where the better the encryption quality, the closer the results to 8. This is our result. For example, we can use this text, then this one is encryption. Before, after encryption, the first one is plain text. That text can be read, and then this one is ciphertext. That the text cannot be read. This is our table comparison entropy result in various message size, and then this is a comparison BER of encryption result in various message size. Then the last one is the comparison AE of encryption results in various message size. The ideal AE value should be close to 50%. Here, this better AE value is heavily influenced by hashing operation performed on both the K and the plain text. Then the conclusion is the two-dimensional chaos method is proposed to encrypt text message. This reasons text messages are transformed into the dimension multi-level with size 1 and 2 because it is not done by adding padding. ACM encryption has diffusion and confusion characteristic but only performs scrambling. Then the SHA-256 hash operation is added to increase resistance from the differential attack. This proposed method proves that it can be improved encryption performance against the statistical and differential attack. This is our acknowledgement. The author are grateful to support for research funding in 2022 provided by the Ministry of Research and Technology, or we can call National Research and Innovation Agency with this number. Then this is our reference that we use in this article on this paper. Okay, thank you very much for your attention.